What's up guys, Carly here, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this fun jump rope trick called the TS, also known as behind the back cross. Super fun to add into your cardio or freestyle jumping. So grab your rope and come join me. Hey guys, welcome back on how to do this tutorial on the TS, also known as the behind the back jump rope cross. Okay, let's get started right away. So first thing what you want to do is make sure that you have the right placement of your arms in the behind the back cross, okay? So you want to first just practice crossing behind your back with your rope in your hands. You want to make sure that your cross is tight enough so you can see the jump rope handles on either side of you, okay? If it's not tight enough, you got to just make sure you're squeezing it, or that's when long jump rope handles come in very handy, okay? So you want to make sure that you have a tight enough cross in the back. I'll show you. Just like that. You want to make sure that your cross is in your lower back, okay? If the cross is up too high, then you're going to trip over your rope. Your rope gets shorter and you'll trip over it. So you want to make sure that you have a low enough cross, and you want to make sure that when you're crossing, your wrist and handles are parallel to the ground, okay? You don't want your jump rope handles to be going down like this or up like this. It's going to make you trip over your rope, okay? So practice just crossing tightly in the lower back and making sure that your rope handles are straight, okay? Parallel to the ground. All right, so after you get this down a couple times, we're gonna practice jumping over the rope one time and then crossing behind our back. This trick is kind of a two-step jump. So you're gonna jump once, cross, and then you jump over the rope during the cross, okay? But we're not there yet. So first we're just gonna practice doing just a regular jump and then crossing behind our back, okay? So it's gonna look like this. Jump, cross, okay? And then just let the rope hit your ankles, okay? So do that a couple times while you get used to just the movement and the placement of your arms. So it's gonna go jump, cross, and just let the rope hit your ankles, okay? It might take a few times for you to get the momentum of the rope and the cross down, and that's okay. Just keep practicing, okay? So we're just gonna jump once and cross, all right? I'll do it one more time. I'll do it from behind so you can see that. So jump, cross, all right? So you'll notice when I jump, after you jump, then you cross behind your back, okay? All right, so practice that a couple times, and once you have that down, we're gonna jump the second time, which is gonna be through the actual cross, okay? On our second jump, you're gonna wanna jump a little bit higher to make sure that you can pass through the rope, okay? So I'm gonna go jump, cross, jump, okay? And notice on my second jump, when I actually jumped through the cross, I jumped a little bit higher to make sure that I can pass through the rope, okay? So here we go. We're gonna go jump, cross, jump, okay? Just like that. Practice that a couple times super slow until you get this momentum down. Jump, cross, jump, okay? Just like that. I'll do it again one more time. Jump, cross, jump. All right? So after you get that down, keep practicing. It might take 2, 3, 5, 10 times. Everyone learns at their own pace. Then you can just go straight into jumping after your second jump. Okay, so it'll look like this. Jump, cross, jump. Oops, and then you just keep jumping after that. So jump, cross, jump. And I'm getting caught up because I'm hitting the wall back there. Anyway, you get the point. So keep practicing that. You got this. This is a really fun jump rope move to add into your freestyle. And if you have not learned the front cross yet, go ahead and click on this link right here, and that will teach you how to do a front cross. All right, guys, thanks for doing this easy tutorial with me. Let me know if you liked it. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'd love to have you join me. Thank you. Bye.